Hello, I'm Becky Buttons, and this is a 2¼ inch all-in-one professional button making kit from buttonmakers.net. It includes a M225 2¼ inch button making machine for making buttons and other stuff, a punch for cutting out circles, and 500 complete button making supplies. This is pretty much everything you need to get started making your own buttons at home or in your shop. You're also going to need a design tool or templates, which we have available on our website, and a computer and a printer, which we know help you with. The 2¼ inch size is a really great size, and although you cannot change the size on this machine later, believe me, that is an advantage when it comes to reliability and manufacturing quality. So you can't change the size, but 2¼ is a great pick. It is an excellent size for campaigns. It's a good medium size, not too big, but it's also not too small. And it makes a lot of cool different stuff. In addition to buttons, you can also make magnets, bottle openers, mirrors, ooh, how cute, and keychains. We also have lapel pins and bulldog clips in addition to the regular pin backs for buttons. This is really well-made equipment, and it is backed by buttonmakers.net satisfaction guarantee for life. If anything should go wrong with your equipment, we don't upsell you on warranties and insurance, we just fix it. Okay, we take very good care of our customers. This equipment, though, is really well made, U.S. manufactured by a family-owned company, and will last a very long time. Now I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, so for the demo portion of this video, I am using beat up old machines because I want to demonstrate that even after all of these years of abuse, renting them out to noobs and giving them to my 5-year-olds, that they still function perfectly. These are really well-made machines. So the first thing that we'll do is cut out circles, and the punch works like a big hole punch, and the first thing that you need to do is cut your prints into strips to fit them through the graphic punch. And it works like a big hole punch. You just slide the paper through the cutting plates and center it visually. Make sure I'm not blocking the shot. And then you push the handle down. You can pop the graphic out using the hole in the bottom. All right. Then to make a button, you just identify your dies, and we'll send you stickers, but if you don't have stickers, the first die is the die that's on the left. I position it facing me like this. Your button supplies include shells, pin backs, and mylar. And you just insert the shell into the pickup die. The graphic goes on top of the shell, right side up and legible. Then you insert the mylar on top of the graphic, rotate the die table all the way around, and then insert the pin back, squiggle side up and at the top of your button. Pull the handle all the way down, lift the handle up, rotate around all the way, pull the handle all the way down again. That's it. So if you're considering buying some button making equipment, please consider buying it from me, Becky Buttons, your bestie with a button maker.